Welcome back to another Cook With Me. Today we are going to be making an eggless banana bread, you guys. This banana bread is amazing. As you can see, I have 6 bananas already waiting to be used. I'm going to be making 2 loaves today. This bowl I'm going to be using to smash my bananas. This is the butter that I'm going to be using, the Earth Balance vegan butter. I have my baking soda. I have some pure vanilla extract. I have my salt, my all-purpose flour, sugar, the mixing bowl that I'm going to be using, a measuring cup that I'm going to be using, and I'm just showing you the measurements on the side, and also the half cup measuring tool, a 1 cup, and also a 1 teaspoon. So these are all the things that you're going to need to make this eggless banana bread. And right here, you guys, I know this looks weird, but I have these cups sitting inside so it can form the shape that I'm looking for. So let's get started. Okay, you guys, I had to pause right here because I Can't believe that I just did this. Why didn't anybody tell me that I'm about to mix this in the wrong bowl? Knowing good and well this bowl is too small, but you will see I'm going to make it work. But you'll also see when I make the second batch, I'm going to put it in its correct bowl. This is what happens when you're multitasking sometimes, guys. Well, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please try this recipe. It is so delicious. You will love it. Thank you all for tuning in. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.